6 exciting updates about the Galaxy S25 Ultra Plus. We have 6 new intriguing updates regarding the Galaxy S25 Ultra Plus that you won't want to miss. First up, there's been a lot of buzz about the design of the S25 Ultra, particularly its bezels. Initially, we believed the S25 Ultra would feature the thinnest bezels ever seen on a smartphone. However, a new competitor has emerged, unveiling even thinner bezels that push the limits of smartphone design. This development raises the bar for what we can expect in terms of aesthetic appeal and usability in future devices. In addition to design updates, the color options for the S25 Ultra have finally been revealed. According to insider information, it will come in 4 primary colors: black, blue, green, and titanium. These colors mark a departure from the S24 Ultra's offerings of yellow, violet, titanium, and black, as blue and green replace the previous vibrant shades. Notably, Samsung plans to introduce exclusive online-only colors, but details on these remain under wraps. Given Samsung's history, it's likely that the blue and green shades will be reminiscent of those used in previous models like the Galaxy Z46 and the S22 Ultra. Moving on to the camera design, there has been speculation about the S25 Ultra's camera lenses. While early rumors suggested that they would resemble those found on the Z Fold series, recent renders show a distinct design that still incorporates elements of the car tire aesthetic, an intriguing concept initially inspired by a former Mercedes-Benz designer. However, these lenses do not carry the same exaggerated look as the Z Fold series, which is a welcome change. The sensor layout will remain consistent with the S24 Ultra, ensuring continuity in camera performance. In terms of software, the S25 Ultra will debut with One UI 7, and recent leaks indicate significant enhancements over earlier previews. Samsung has been actively updating the software, incorporating user feedback to refine app icons, animations, and interface elements. For instance, the often criticized rainbow gallery icon has been replaced with a more traditional red icon. Other app icons, including those for the camera and contacts, are also receiving upgrades. It's refreshing to see a major company like Samsung take user feedback seriously and implement changes accordingly. For customization enthusiasts, One UI 7 offers exciting new features through the Good Lock customization app. Users will gain access to fresh animation styles, including one that mimics Google Pixel animations and another that reflects the fluidity of Apple's iOS, though Samsung's wording leaves it somewhat ambiguous. Additionally, users can fine-tune their experience with options for adjusting animation speeds and advanced controls that let them modify aspects such as duration and blur. This level of customization elevates the user experience, especially for those who appreciate smooth animations. Lastly, let's discuss the performance differences between the S25 Ultra and its predecessor, the S24 Ultra. The new model is set to come equipped with 16 GB of RAM and a more powerful processor, promising smoother and more responsive software performance. Early benchmarks suggest improved stability and fluidity in animations, making the S25 Ultra a noteworthy upgrade.